Hey, to create secure folder on the Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, all you have to do is just to go into the settings. And now from this, you will have to actually scroll down and go into the security and the privacy. Now from this, you will have to go below and open more security settings and click on the secure folder. From this, click to continue. Scroll down, click continue one more time. And now you will have to actually wait for this creation process. It will take around a dozen of the seconds. And after this, we'll be able to restrict our smartphone. Okay, for some reason I just got the low brightness. Okay, I just have low battery level, never mind. So now let's go back into this process. Of course, for some reason it just disappeared, but as you can see, it was actually created. So now we have to pick the lock type for our secure folder. So you can go for the PIN, password. Let's get, for example, pattern. You have to draw this pattern, click continue, and input it the second time. And you can actually use the same lock screen method as your current screen lock. Now we can turn on and off your pattern. So when you try to input it, it will be actually not visible. I can recommend you to change this function, automatically lock secure folder when the screen turns off. Nope, I can recommend you to each time I leave an application. It's of course the secure folder application. So when you close it, it will be actually locked with the password. Also, you can add the secure folder up to the screen. And from here, you can adjust some other options like notifications. So if you put like any application into the secure folder and you receive notification, this notification will be not shown on the screen. So that's kind of useful. From here, when you open apps, we can adjust the apps. That's kind of obvious. But now let me show you how we can input some apps there. So now when I'm looking for the secure folder, it appears right here in the app drawer. And now I have to click next. I have to input my password. And as you can see from here, I can find my lock apps. So now I can also add here other applications. I can download them from the Play Store, from the Galaxy Store. But let me show you how it actually looks. For example, with the voice recorder, I'm gonna add it right here. And now when I'm gonna record something, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and finish, there is my voice record, right? But when I go to the standard voice recorder on my smartphone, as you can see, I cannot find this file anymore. So it actually means that the secure folder allows us to actually create applications and keep them secure. So everything that you are doing in the secure folder, it stays only in the secure folder. So this notes, photos, or messages that you are sending on the secure folder, it is not going into your standard apps on your Galaxy phone. So that's a very useful option. And that's basically it right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.